Good morning, all. Yeah, welcome back to our morning ritual exercise. This is where everything happened. I just came back from our normal morning jogging. We finished that, we round that up today. Now we gotta do some little exercise in the indoors. So many people have been calling me and asking me, why is it only like in all your video you do squats? So I just decided to tell us the importance of squatting in our life and how squatting helps us in our daily activities. So squatting is one of the easiest exercises anyone can do. You can do it anywhere, in your home, outside, anywhere. It's very easy to do, and it helps in developing our ankle, our leg muscles, hip, bicep, our abs, our back muscle. So squat does a lot of work in our body. It gives us strong frame. It makes us to have a very strong frame, because with strong frame, you see that you are fit to do whatever you are doing. So I'm going to start with the one we call cruising squats. Is the one you spread your legs and put your hand on your head. Then you start squatting like this. Make sure you reach the normal 90 degrees angle on your knee so that you feel the impact. It's good for you to do any exercise that you are doing. You make sure you do it the right way for you to get a good result. So when you are squatting, you find out that all the muscles in your body is at work. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Another thing about squatting again is it makes you not to get tired. When you are squatting, when you squat, like get 20 squats every day, you see that in all that you are doing, especially when you are jogging, you don't get tired because all your frame is strong. You build a strong frame through squatting. At times I used to tell people to squat as many as you can. Give it a try. I squat 20 times every day, 30 days in a month. Come to this comment section and tell me how you feel. Even if it's only squatting that you are doing, you will see how great you will be. Okay? Then another one is closing up our legs. You close up your leg, stretch your arms out, then there we go. Go it in 90 degrees. Remember what I told you about 90 degrees? Make sure your knee, hip is on 90 degrees. You get up, do it again. You find out that both your tummy, your abs muscle, they are at work, they are getting stiff. It gives you a strong abs. Okay? It's very easy. See? Get down to the 90 degrees angle. Yeah. Squatting is a very good exercise that is very simple, easy to do, but very effective. Very, very effective. It makes your body to be flexible, like you can see it. Squatting makes you to be flexible. It makes you to be balanced, to balance in all that you are doing, to feel balanced. You get your balance in. Look at it. Because of squatting, it makes your body to be flexible. So squat every day and see the results. You can squat on one leg like this. Yeah. Squatting helps to solve heart disease. Also, when you are squatting, all your muscle is at work. your heart will be beating normal. Going through this every day, you see that you don't have difficulties in it, both breathing, and it solves a lot of problems in our health. Yeah. When you are squatting, you find it very easy to lift things, lift up loads because of how rigid and strong your frames are. Your ankles, your joints are where the meeting point of two bones and their muscles. But through squatting, you see that everything is at work. They are all working. Your hip, this, and back. Especially you enjoy it most when you carry weight. When you do it in the gym and you are with weight on your shoulder. You go down. That's when you get more efficient of it. But you can still do it in your house without weight every day. It's more frequent, how frequent you do it, that give you a good and better result. So I believe that with this, we've seen the importance of squatting, and I urge you to give it a trial. Like what I told you, everything we do in Morning Ritual is all about practical. Get ready, get doing it. Don't feel lazy or think that what we're doing is just for doing sake. No, it has results. It produces results. As you can see it in my body, it produces results. So I want to share, that's why I'm sharing it up with everybody, to join me and enjoy what I'm enjoying too. You just make up your mind and start exercising. Start squatting. You can do, like now I'm in my house. I didn't go out, I'm not doing it outside, or I'm in my house. You can be in your bedroom, even in your toilet. Before you take your bath, you squat. Get 20 squats every day, at most. 20 squats every day and see the results. Come to the comment section and tell me how you feel about it. Squatting helps. It gives you strong muscles. You can resist any shock. Any shock that is coming to you, you can resist it as far as you are squatting. You will not regret doing it. No matter your age, try to squat. Just this little squatting I did now, look at how I'm sweating already, to show you how effective it is. To show you how effective it is. It works on your general body. If you want it to be more efficient, see more improved results, you do squat jump. The one we call squat jump. You do squat jump. Squat jump. Yeah, you see it. Man, try this and see how light you'll be in losing weight and building strong frame at the same time. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, where I will give you updates on our daily activities. Thank you for subscribing, and don't forget to like the video and give us a thumbs up. Thank you. See you tomorrow on another episode of our Morning Ritual.